Okay, if you saw my video yesterday when I went to McDonald's with my Nana kids, I spent $30 on 2 cheeseburgers, 2 chicken McNugget meals with milkshakes, and and the 2 cheeseburger got a French fry, a small French fry with that, and it was $30. I just went to Winn-Dixie and I just got, well, let me show you what I got. Okay, so I got, these are really, really good. My Nana kids love them. They're lightly breaded chicken breasts. These were $13.99, but this serves serving size, where does it say it? And there's no hormones, no artificial. This is like 7 servings for $13.99. Then I got these French fries. They look like they're similar to McDonald's, so I got those. And those serving size is it says serving size 3 ounce. Oh, about 7 servings in this. So 7 in chicken, 7 in the French fries. I got this chocolate ice cream so I can make milkshakes. And then I got these Pepperidge Farm. There's 8 of them, so I only need 2, but I'll have leftovers. And then I bought this and 90% lean and 10% fat. And this was $8. And so there's a pound of this. So I don't know how many. I think I could get like 7 cheeseburgers out of that. So anyway, where is the receipt? This came out to, again, it's like for 7 people, came out for $32.53 for 7 people. So basically for the same price, $30 versus $32, I can serve 7 Nana kids opposed to just 3 yesterday. And let's see how much they like it better, because those chicken McNuggets, they did not go over well. Now, the oldest one ate the cheeseburgers like they were going out of style, but those chicken McNugget, and everyone ate all the fries, no problem. But those chicken McNuggets, like they took a couple of bites and that was it. So I had to throw those out. Lane, how do you like your chicken tenders that Nana made in the French fries? Ford, how do you like your chicken tenders and French fries?
Good.
Which ones do you like better, McDonald's or these?
No. These.
Nana's or McDonald's? You could be honest.
These.
Good. Luke, how do you like your 2 cheeseburgers and French fries?
Very good.
He's not there.